What's up, folks? Today, we will make America great again through education. Circle. Angle of the intersecting plane, beta equals 0. Scene angle beta equals 0. PD equals infinity, because directrix is infinite far away. Focus at center, so C equals 0. Equation is radius square equal x square plus y square. Ellipse C. Angle beta, larger than 0 and less than the cone's angle alpha. Sine angle beta smaller than alpha. PD larger than PF. Line A longer than C. The equation is radius square equal x square divided by a square. Directrix of the ellipse equal a divided by e. Parabola. Angle beta equal alpha. Sine angle beta equal sine alpha. Line PF equal PD. Line A and C goes to infinity. There are three common used equations. Hyperbola. Angle beta larger than alpha. Sine angle beta larger than sine alpha. Line PF larger than PD. Line C longer than AE. The equation is radius square equal x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square. As eccentricity goes to infinity, we get a degenerated hyperbola, which is two lines of the cones crossing each other. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, or else
You are fake news.